Every morning, your skin fights a battle you can't see. Oil glands switch on the moment you wake up, flooding your face with shine before breakfast. But this isn't just about looking greasy, it's about clogged pores, breakouts, scars that linger, and makeup that slips away like it never mattered. What's worse? Excess oil weakens your skin's defenses, leaving it irritated and unbalanced. Yet, here's the twist. Oily skin isn't the villain. Handled the right way, it protects you from wrinkles and keeps your face youthful for years. The real challenge is balance, and that balance begins with a powerful morning routine, one that turns oil from your biggest frustration into your biggest strength. The good news? There's a smart routine that works with your skin instead of against it, and it all starts in the morning with a few game-changing steps. Let's explore them. Number 1, the right cleanser. Gentle but effective. The first step is cleansing. Oily skin often tricks people into thinking the stronger, the better. Harsh scrubs and high foam cleansers feel satisfying, but strip your skin barrier, and when that happens, your skin panics, producing even more oil to defend itself. The smarter move is a gentle gel or foaming cleanser with ingredients like salicylic acid to unclog pores or niacinamide to calm oil production. Think of it as pressing a reset button. Your face feels fresh, not squeaky dry. Skip this step or use the wrong cleanser, and you're setting your skin up for an oily rebound. Number 2, toner, the balancing act. After cleansing, your pores are open and vulnerable, enter toner. But forget the stinging, alcohol-heavy toners of the past. In 2025, toners are lightweight hydrators designed to balance pH, tighten pores, and prep your skin. Look for toners with green tea, witch hazel, or hyaluronic acid. They give your skin a quick drink of water while controlling shine. Pat it on gently with your hands or a cotton pad. This step may feel optional, but it helps your serum and moisturizer sink in better and last longer. Number 3, serum, your secret weapon. Now comes the upgrade many people with oily skin skip: serum, and that's a mistake. A water-based niacinamide serum is like hiring a manager for your oil glands. It reduces sebum, fades dark spots, and strengthens your skin barrier. Another great pick is a vitamin C serum. It brightens dullness and fights free radical damage without weighing the skin down. Serums are lightweight but powerful. They target the root of the problem, not just the surface. And if you're worried about serums being heavy, remember oil and hydration are not the same. Hydrated skin actually produces less excess oil. Number 4, moisturizer. Don't skip it. Here's the classic mistake. Oily skin people avoid moisturizer, but that only leaves your skin dehydrated, forcing it to produce even more oil. The solution? A gel-based, oil-free moisturizer. These modern formulas feel like a cool splash of water, not a heavy cream. Look for ingredients like aloe vera, glycerin, or ceramides. They hydrate without clogging pores. In fact, one of the biggest skincare shifts in 2025 has been the rise of water creams. They lock in hydration while vanishing into your skin in seconds. Number 5, sunscreen, the final shield. If oily skin has one true enemy, it's sunscreen neglect. People fear greasy, sticky formulas and skip it altogether. But here's the truth, without sunscreen, every other step in your routine is wasted. Sun damage worsens acne scars, deepens dark spots, breaks down collagen, and accelerates aging. Luckily, sunscreens today are made for oily skin gel formulas, hybrid SPF with mattifying finishes, and water-light mineral options. Choose SPF 30 or higher and apply it generously. Think of sunscreen as your invisible armor. It keeps your skin safe all day long without adding shine. Number 6, bonus tricks to stay matte. By midday, you may still notice shine. That's where small hacks help. Blotting papers absorb excess oil without messing up your makeup. Clay masks twice a week act like a detox. pulling impurities and oil from deep in your pores. Diet and hydration matter too. Cutting down on sugary, fried food and drinking enough water can calm inflammation and balance your skin over time. These aren't daily steps, but they make a big difference in long-term oil control. Why this routine matters. This isn't about chasing a matte Instagram filter look. Oily skin left unmanaged can lead to breakouts, scarring, and frustration. But here's the silver lining. Oily skin is naturally thicker and less prone to wrinkles. With the right routine, you can turn it into your strength. Think of it like training a wild engine. Once balanced, it runs smoother, lasts longer, and performs better. This routine isn't about fighting your skin, it's about guiding it. So here's my question. Which of these steps are you guilty of skipping? Be honest. Are you avoiding moisturizer, or do you still run from sunscreen? Remember, glowing skin isn't about buying 20 products, it's about using the right 5 in the right order. Your oily skin doesn't need to be your biggest frustration, it can be your superpower.